Good morning, my dear students. Principles of Management class. And we have started with the second chapter of Principles of Management. And in today's class, we shall discuss about types of plans. And in types of plans, strategic plans. And before we could start up with strategic plans, what has been discussed in the previous class? In the previous class, we have discussed types of plans, and in types of plans, we have discussed the plans based on time, that is time frame plans. Those are short range plans and long range plans. And learning objectives of this session is the student should be able to identify the strategic plans. And now, the meaning of strategic plans. Strategic planning is a process used by organizations to identify their goals, the strategies necessary to accomplish those goals, and the internal performance management system that will be used to monitor and evaluate progress. So strategic planning andre idu used by the organization in order to identify their goals and also strategies which are necessary in order to accomplish the goals in the desired way by using strategic plans. Next, elements of strategic plan. The following are the elements of strategic plan. The first element of strategic plan is a clear mission and vision statement. So, any organization strategic plan means it gives a clear mission and vision statements of the organization. Strategic plans also gives an organization clear timelines for strategy implementation and also progress monitoring. In strategic plans, there will be a quarterly benchmarks or objectives that will inform progress towards annual goals. Strategic plans identifies the data sources used to track progress. Strategic plans also indicates the individuals and or officers responsible for each strategy. Coming to the next topic, characteristics of strategic plans. The characteristics of strategic plans are termed as long-term plans. Position an organization within its task environment. So strategic plans are itself positioned as an important task environment in the organization. Strategic plans are pervasive. Strategic plans cover many organizational activities, that is, each and every activity in the organization depends on strategy or strategic plans. Strategic plans integrate, guide, and control all the activities of the organization for the immediate and long term. Strategic plans also establishes boundaries for managerial decision making. That is, strategic plans guides within which the management can take the decision. Uses of strategic plans. Strategic plans builds consensus and engagement of all stakeholders. That is, strategic plans considers all the interest of the stakeholders while planning. Strategic plans establishes systems of accountability. So, strategic plans establishes the accountability for all the stakeholders and for all the managers or employees at all the levels of the organization. Strategic plans also clarifies the priorities. That is, in the organizations, we come across many activities. So, strategic plans tells which activities need to be done after which by providing priorities for the activities of the organization. Strategic plans analyzes the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. That is, strategic plans are based on SWOT analysis, that is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of the organization. Strategic plans creates mechanism for evaluating progress. And summary. In this session, we have covered meaning of strategic plan, elements of strategic plan, characteristics of strategic plan, and uses of strategic plan. Thank you, dear students. Meet you in the next class. Bye.